Half a kilogram free range chicken meals that I have in the freezer. Okay, and while that's defrosting, I'm gonna cut one capsicum. Ooh. This needs a little bit more. So I cook and eat. It is what it is. Okay, now that this is almost defrosted, it has still a little bit of ice, but no worries, I prefer it like this and not too cooked or anything. I'm gonna remove the water. I'm gonna make it super simple because I need to study and do something else. So if you don't have any time, then you need to watch this. Okay, so I already put it some pepper because I need to hands. Salt. This is thyme. Oops, I'm done. A lot. I'm gonna put a lot of sesame seeds just because it's a little bit too wet, and a little bit of buckwheat flour because when the chicken was defrosted, it started to be really liquid. And yeah, well, I'm gonna mix it. This is heating up. I'm gonna put some olive oil so these burgers don't stick. As I said, just remember, there are some cooking recipes from people that is really good at this, and this is specifically for people that it's really busy and wants to do something easy and fun and extremely healthy. Okay, so this is how it went. It is a little bit sticky. It was a beautiful mess, but no worries, we got this. So it's not that I'm an expert and I do these ones all the time. I'm literally just cooking with what I had in the fridge, literally. So I did one, and now obviously now that I'm showing you and I need to film, I'm doing it with a spatula, but the previous ones I did them with my hands, and you know. But this is kind of the result. See, these ones I already turned them. They're looking nice. I think they're gonna taste amazing. I didn't mention I put the heat down, so this is minimum. They're gonna slowly cook, and while this is going, I'm gonna do the salad. Okay, so I have a shaved carrot, some mozzarella, tomato, and a little bit of cheese, and the avocado that I lost. The lost avocado that I left in the other bench. Okay, so this is the salad. I'm gonna put some vinegar. I love apple cider. And this is my secret. Tahini. It's the best dressing. This one comes with a lid that you open, but because the oil is always separated, I never use it. I actually open it, mix, and make like with the spoon. Olive oil and tahini. See that there are some solids that go to the bottom. That's why you always need to see, and I do like that. Ticketing, a little bit more because that one didn't actually work. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you the final results. Yummy. This is the finished result. So I have dinner for tonight and lunch tomorrow.